Welcome back to UtahYotas. Today I am attempting to put this trailer, the house of the trailer, on the frame of the trailer that I built. The challenge here is I am doing this by myself. So if I had 4 strong guys, we'd probably just lift this bad boy on there and be done with it, with one person sliding the trailer under, but no one's around to help me except for my trusty dog, and you can see her laying there on the ground. So she is keeping me company and checking and making sure that I'm doing everything like I'm supposed to. So anyway, I'm adding some, they're kind of like cinder blocks. They're actually designed for big furnaces to melt steel. So I got them from Geneva Steel when they closed down. So they're pretty strong, and they're easy to stack. They weigh about 20 pounds a piece. So as you can see, I'm having to go through and jack it up a little bit at a time, just because I was a little nervous about the boards and how they would hold up, but they held up fine. So the trailer, you can see underneath there's those dollies that I got from Harbor Freight. There's 4 of those on there, and I designed those to be taken off separately. So once I get to a point in the video, you'll see me take those off and get it on the and have the trailer slide underneath it. So enjoy watching it, and hit subscribe if you like this kind of video. I am actually gonna say a few words at the end, but so for now, thanks for watching my video, and I appreciate everyone that subscribes and puts comments on my videos. Thank you very much.
Want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Being with you, it's like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you, it's a never-ending sunshine. Heels on, and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you, it's like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you, it's a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you, it's like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up, it shoots me down. At this point I would rather be numb. I'm sick and tired of emotions. They've never done me any good, just tore me up into bits. I wish I knew how to call it quits. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs telling me that I should try to move on. Don't say how it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. I've always liked to be a stranger, keep my distance from the crowd. Thought that way I wouldn't get hurt, but when I met her it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them upside down. I'd never felt that way, but what's to say? Sometimes good things end, but I didn't think that it would be this hard for a heart to mend. 'Cause I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. Oh, I don't wanna let her go. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how.
I just wanted to give you guys a final take on this. I ended up getting it down on there easy. I ran out of battery, and so I didn't realize it didn't record. So anyway, thank you for watching my video, and if you have any questions, put some comments in the video, and I'll answer them for you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.